come down here, then...
Hell no.
Aren't they still have stuff in there?
Huh?
Yeah, it's 5:30. There's no way we're going to be able to get in there.
Yeah, it ends basically right there, so. Alright, they're covering our room, so we have to kill an hour and a half.
Okay. Wait, they're covering our room?
That's our room.
Oh yeah.
As little as possible.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh boy.
This is the Zelda line, maybe more. Yeah, it's the Zelda line.
So we're just standing here.
But that panel starts at 6.
The Zelda one?
Zelda line, yeah. Zelda panel. We can go find out. Let's go find out. Angry Mob. Here we go. The academic. The line is moving.
Now we will go freeze brilliant frogs.
Okay, I have 3 minutes left on this battery. Time to switch.